Practical uses of herbs for horses, a comprehensive guide. Horses, as natural herbivores, are uniquely suited to benefit from herbs in their diet and care. Their digestive systems, particularly the cecum, are designed to efficiently break down plant fiber, making herbs whether fresh, dried, or processed an excellent addition to their health regimen. This article explores the practical applications of herbs for horses, including how to administer them, their topical uses, dosage guidelines, and traditional methods of delivery. Why herbs for horses? Horses are built to consume unprocessed plant material, and herbs can support their health in various ways. Whether used to promote digestion, support recovery from injuries, or address specific health concerns, herbs offer a natural, holistic approach to equine care. They can be administered in their whole form, as powders, or as concentrated tinctures and extracts, depending on the desired effect and the horse's preferences. Forms of herbal administration. Whole or powdered herbs. Horses can consume herbs in their natural, unprocessed state or as finely ground powders. Leafy herbs are often fed whole or dried, while roots are typically powdered for easier chewing and digestion. A typical dose is a handful of leafy herbs, approximately 30 grams or 1 ounce, given twice daily during feeding. Whole herbs are a gentle, natural option, but powders may be more practical for roots, which can be too tough for horses to chew effectively. Tinctures and extracts. Tinctures and extracts are highly concentrated forms of herbs, made from significantly larger quantities of plant material than would typically be fed. This concentration allows them to work more quickly than fresh or dried herbs, making them ideal for acute conditions. Alcohol-based tinctures are convenient to mix into feed but can be expensive, and some horses may dislike the alcoholic taste. To make them more palatable, dilute alcohol tinctures with water, vinegar, or another liquid, or opt for glycerin-based extracts. Administering tinctures directly into the mouth can be challenging if the horse resists the taste, so mixing them with feed is often the better choice. Topical applications. Horses are particularly well suited to topical herbal treatments, especially for leg injuries, which are common due to their active lifestyles. Herbs can be applied as ointments, salves, liniments, gels, washes, paints, sweats, or poultices, either under a bandage or directly on the skin. These treatments are generally well tolerated, but some horses may be sensitive. Watch for signs of irritation, such as scurf or peeling skin, and adjust the application frequency, e.g., every other day or once a week, or discontinue use if necessary. Dosage guidelines for horses. Horses require smaller quantities of herbs and medications per pound of body weight compared to smaller animals with higher metabolic rates. This is a common trait among larger species. A general guideline for equine herbal dosages is to use 2 to 4 times the human dose, depending on the herb and the horse's size. For leafy herbs, a handful, about 30 grams or 1 ounce, is considered a single dose, typically administered twice daily during feeding. In acute situations, more frequent dosing may produce faster results. Most herbal formulas are designed for long-term use, often spanning several months, but for acute cases or when using more potent or toxic herbs, shorter treatment periods may be appropriate. Always introduce herbs gradually, especially for horses that are wary of new additions to their feed, to ensure acceptance. Traditional methods of herbal administration. Historically, herbs were administered to horses in creative ways to ensure palatability and effectiveness. 2 notable methods include liquid drenches. In the past, herbal mixtures were combined with palatable ingredients like caraway seeds, honey, flax oil, spirits of turpentine, warm ale, or aloes to create a liquid drench. These were carefully poured into an old champagne bottle, or a safer modern equivalent, like a plastic bottle, and administered slowly without force, allowing the horse time to swallow comfortably. Physic balls. At the turn of the last century, herbs were often delivered in the form of a physic ball, a mixture of powdered herbs, linseed meal, treacle, pale cane syrup, or honey, and a touch of palm oil. Licorice powder was sometimes added to improve consistency. These balls varied in texture. Some were hard, others softer but were considered bulky and challenging to administer. The process often involved pulling the horse's tongue and forcing the ball down the throat, which could be difficult and slow to dissolve. Modern methods, such as mixing herbs into feed, are generally more practical and less invasive. Considerations for success. When incorporating herbs into a horse's care routine, keep the following in mind. Start slowly. Introduce herbs gradually to avoid rejection by picky eaters. Monitor reactions. Watch for signs of sensitivity, especially with topical applications, and adjust as needed. Consult experts. Work with a veterinarian or equine herbalist to ensure the correct herbs, dosages, and treatment durations for your horse's specific needs. Choose the right form. Select the form of herb, whole, powdered, tincture, or topical, based on the condition being treated and the horse's preferences. Herbs offer a versatile, natural way to support equine health, from digestive support to injury recovery. Whether fed whole, powdered, or as concentrated tinctures, or applied topically as salves or poultices, herbs can be tailored to meet a horse's unique needs. By understanding proper dosages, administration methods, and historical practices, horse owners can harness the power of herbs to promote their animal's well-being. Always introduce herbs thoughtfully and monitor your horse's response to ensure the best outcomes.